How to add search bar in Google Sites. To add a search bar in Google Sites, for some reason, if you're editing a site, Google Site does not give you an option to add a search bar or a button. So what we have to do is we have to add it manually using an HTML code. On the right hand side of the insert menu, go to the option called Embed. Over here, you can see the option called Embed Code. Click on it. It says HTML code goes here. Now I'll make sure to leave this code in the description box. You can simply choose to copy all of this code and simply paste the HTML code over here. Make sure to check properly. Now there will be a small button that says you to choose your website URL over here. So once you've done that, you can see custom search bar, you can see form, and you can see some of the actions, search method, and so on. What you want to do is just hit the next option, and you've pasted the embed code. So hit the insert button. Over here, now you can simply choose to resize that particular code as you can see, and you can even add it to other part of the screen. So if I want to add it to the top over here, let's say, I'll just add it here. Now if I click on the publish button, or if I go to this view sites option, then I'll be able to see the search code which I have created, or the search bar. And I repeat, the code will be down below in the description box. Thanks for watching, and do subscribe for more tips and tutorials such as these.